Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. I will solve question 3 part 1, 2, 3 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you like my lecture then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 3. Express the following. Part A, the perimeter P of square as a function of its area A. First of all, we draw a square figure. Having parameter one side x, area of parameter of square is equal to parameter of square P is equal to sum of all sides. It means x plus x plus x plus x. So P is equal to 4x. Question number 1. Area of square is equal to length multiply width. So x multiply y, x multiply x, it means vertical b. So x is equal to x square. Taking square root on both sides. So a square root is equal to x square root cancel. So a under root is equal to x. Number 3, put in 1. So P is equal to 4x, x is equal to under root of a, which is the required solution. Dear student, next question number 3, part number B. The area of a circle as a function of its circumference. First of all, we draw a circle. Radius or area of circle is equal to pi r square. So area of this circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circumference or circumference of circle या area of circumference of circle circle C is equal to 2 pi r. Question number 2. So C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi divide on both sides. So 2 pi cancel. R is equal to C divided by 2 pi. Put in 1. So A is equal to pi r square, it means C divide 2 pi whole square. So area is equal to pi into c square divided by 2 square 4, pi square pi cancel. So area is equal to c square divided by 4 pi, which is the required area. Dear student, next question number 3, part number C. The volume V of a cube as a function of the area A of its base. First of all, we draw a cube form. Length is equal to x, width is equal to x, so height is equal to x. Volume of cube is equal to length multiply width multiply height, so x multiply x multiply x. V is equal to x cube, equation number 1. Area of square is equal to x square, taking square root on both sides. So area is equal to x square root cancel, under root of a is equal to x, put in 1. So volume is equal to under root of a whole power 3. V is equal to a power 1 over 2 whole power 3. V is equal to a power 3 over 2, which is the required volume. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.